guys, welcome to Friggin' Boom Toys. See if you can guess what toys I'm unboxing today. Here's a clue. It starts with T and it ends with Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I'm actually going to unbox two Turtles toys today. That's hard to say. There's going to be a Casey Jones and a Michelangelo. First, let's look at the Michelangelo. Now, you might be thinking, hang on, there's been a mistake. Call the police. That's meant to be Michelangelo, but the toy's mask is red, and everybody knows Michelangelo's mask is orange. Well, let me hit you with some knowledge. This is actually an original comic book version of Michelangelo. Now, in the original comic books, there was no color. When there was color, like on covers or in special editions, and a bit later on, you could see that all the turtles actually had red masks. They were all the same. Also in the comic books, the turtles were violent as hell. It wasn't until the 80s when they got their TV show, I guess TV executives kind of realized they needed to give each turtle a different colored mask, or kids couldn't tell which was which. Anyway, what I'm saying is the red mask is correct. Let's open this sucker up. So you get a cool little collector card thing that's done in the artwork of the original comics. You also get like a little mini catalogue of the freaking 1 billion new Ninja Turtles toys that are out. There is a lot of stuff on here. The actual figure is pretty cool. There's lots of like scratches and stuff that are intentionally there to look like it's from the comic. The original artwork from the comic books was very unpolished, lots of like cross-hatching all in black and white, and the figure really does a good job of looking like that. Another cool thing about this figure is if you have it on your shelf and people come to your house and ask about it, you can bust out that knowledge about how they all originally had red masks, and you will feel very smart. Okay, now let's open this Casey Jones. Now this Casey Jones is from the current Nickelodeon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which I don't really like the show. It's too like kiddie, I guess. The version of Casey Jones in the show though is pretty cool looking, and I reckon it looks awesome as a toy. It's opening time. So the figure's pretty cool as it is, but it also has some cool stuff with it. It's got a hockey stick, a baseball bat, and a hockey mask that you can clip onto his face, and look at that. Oh yeah, that's cool. Now the good thing about this guy is the hockey mask and the baseball bat can either go in his hands, or if you don't want them to go in his hands, they clip onto his back, so you've got somewhere to put them. I hate it when you buy toys and it comes with accessories and they're just like, you've got nowhere to put them, so they just sit on the floor. Anyway, that's both those guys opened up. I hope you enjoyed that Ninja Turtles trivia. If you've got any Ninja Turtles trivia, I don't know why you would, but if you do, go in the comments and let me know. Also, let me know what your favorite version of Ninja Turtles is, because there's been about 400 freaking thousand versions of them, and they all just, basically they just change what their eyes look like. Anyway, go in the comments and let me know, and until the next video, pizza cowabunga.